Hello everyone, I am Subhranil Datta, born and brought up in Agartala. I am an electrical engineer and I have done my undergraduation from NIT Agartala. Recently I have completed my internship at Gartner and today I will be sharing my experience at Gartner. I was into data and analytics since my engineering days, and the hands-on experience that I received here at IMI Kolkata from my faculty mentors helped me further upskilling myself in the area of data and analytics. Interestingly, during my internship period, I was offered two job roles, A as a data manager and B as a project manager. As a data manager, I was expected to perform data validation checks, data quality checks using SPSS and create cross tabs using Frosta cross tabs. And my client deliverables were to create Excel reports and PPT decks. And my first year knowledge at IMI Kolkata helped me to stay a step ahead while performing these tasks. I would like to thank IMI Kolkata for providing me this internship opportunity where I could utilize my first year learnings and also develop my skill set in the field of data and analytics.